Welcome to the Oat Omelet with Veggies recipe. Get ready for a delicious and nutritious twist on your usual breakfast. We're combining the goodness of oats with fresh, colorful veggies to create a meal that's not only healthy but also packed with flavor. So, let's dive in and make breakfast the best part of your day. Step 1. In a bowl, whisk the egg with milk, salt, and pepper, then set it aside. Step 2. Heat the olive oil in a large pan. Sauté onions in oil until they are translucent, sprinkle with salt, and then add peppers, tomato paste, and garlic. Cook until well sautéed and set aside. Step 3. Spread the oats, sesame seeds, and black sesame seeds in a skillet. Pour the egg mixture over them. Add the reserved vegetables, spring onion, green olives, and crumbled feta cheese on top. Cover the skillet and cook on low heat until everything is set.